So you made it home from your epic adventure, got everything unpacked, and got your gear put away. But you probably forgot something, your rooftop tent, which means that it's sitting up on your car, probably wet, either from the rain or just condensation from camping. So today, I'm going to be walking through why and how you can go about drying your rooftop tent after every adventure, hopefully as soon as possible. To dry out our tent, we're simply going to unpack it for a few hours. But before you do that, you're going to want to check the weather. Typically, you'd want a nice sunny day with a little bit of breeze to help it dry as quickly as possible. But as long as you don't have any rain in the forecast, it will be a perfect time to dry out your tent. You'll want to prioritize drying it out sooner than later than waiting for the perfect day to dry it out. Then it's all about picking a spot. Hopefully, pick a spot in the sun where there's a nice little bit of breeze and go ahead and set up your tent.
When I'm setting my tent up to dry, I like to fully open it up. That includes all the windows and all the vents, even if I didn't use them during the trip. For the side windows, I'll fully open them, allowing the maximum amount of airflow. But for any windows that still might be a little wet, I'll open them about halfway so that they get airflow while still drying.
And with the tent set up and drying, we can take this opportunity to go about cleaning it from our last adventure. So wiping down anything, especially the stairs with all the dirt and mud, vacuuming the mattress, washing your bedding, and so forth and so on. This also gives you time to go ahead, check how everything is feeling, and seeing when it's dry. And other than that, it's pretty much just a waiting game as your tent sits out here in the sun and in the breeze and dries off.
And with everything clean, you can start inspecting the tent, seeing if it's dry. And once everything is dry on the tent, you can go ahead and put it away as usual.
And with our tent dry and put back away, it's ready for our next epic adventure. Let me know down below, is there anything you do in particular when you get home from a trip? And while you're down there, don't forget to go ahead and check out the channel memberships, as you can support the channel while getting some exclusive perks and behind the scenes content that you won't see anywhere else. And also, when you're down there, don't forget to go ahead and check out Flat for Off-Road for all your off-road and adventure Subaru needs. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next adventure.